If you're craving chocolate chip cookies but you don't want to make an entire batch, or if you're on diet, or if you just live alone, then this single serve chocolate chip cookie recipe is exactly what you need. It's chewy and fudgy on the inside, it has a crispy edge, it has pools of melted dark chocolate, and best of all, it makes 2 cookies. In a small bowl, combine melted unsalted butter that is cooled slightly, granulated sugar, and some brown sugar. It's very important to use brown sugar as well in this recipe because if you use just plain granulated sugar, your cookie is going to turn out flat. Brown sugar is what gives structure and chewiness to the cookie. Give that a good mix, and then we're going to add half a tablespoon of egg. This is 1 egg that I whisked and then took half a tablespoon from, and we're also going to add some vanilla extract. If you don't have vanilla extract, you can leave it out. Now give that a good mix until it's fully incorporated. And finally, we're going to add in the dry ingredients, which include some all-purpose flour, some baking soda, and some salt. Don't forget to add in the baking soda. This is very important for the cookie to rise a little bit. Give that a good mix until everything is fully incorporated and you no longer see any streaks of flour. And lastly, we're going to add in some chocolate. I'm using a chopped dark chocolate bar, but you could also use chocolate chips. And if you'd like, you could also use milk chocolate. But for cookies, I highly recommend using dark chocolate because it really balances out the sweetness of the cookie dough. Place the cookie dough in the freezer for around 20 minutes. Once chilled, divide the cookie dough into 2 balls and then place that onto a lined baking sheet. And then optionally, you can top the cookies with more chunks of dark chocolate or chocolate chips. I did divide the cookie dough in half to make 2 cookies, but you could definitely just make 1 giant cookie. Bake in an oven preheated to 175 degrees Celsius for around 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how gooey you want the center of your cookie to be. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the pan for around 5 minutes, then top it off with some flaky sea salt and you can dig right in. And that's it, your single serve chocolate chip cookie recipe is ready to go. Now I know a single serve definitely means 2 cookies, so this is the perfect recipe for all of us. These cookies are definitely everything you would want in a chocolate chip cookie: chewy and fudgy center with slightly crispy edges, pools of melted dark chocolate, and it goes so well with a cup of cold milk. And if you want an entire batch, definitely do check out my brown butter chocolate chip cookie recipe. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. If you like single serve recipes, then definitely let me know down below what other recipes you want in single serve portions. And if you haven't already, remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you've liked it, and comment down below if you've tried this recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thank you so much for watching.